Arabia follows the second opinion, which means as much as they use telescopic vision, they believe nobody must follow our moon. That is the Saudi standpoint. That is the Hanbali school of thought. Nobody should follow our sighting. All those who are following that sighting are doing so because they believe that they want to follow what the world is probably following or what Saudi Arabia is following. So Saudi Arabia and the ulama there will tell you, the senior scholars will tell you, we believe you should look for your moon in your own area. Don't rely on us. For that region, there is no, for that reason, there is no official liaison with the moon sighting committees of the globe and Saudi Arabia, because they are not obliged to actually connive or to cooperate with people who they themselves don't believe that those people should be following this opinion. I hope you understand.